Alright, what's up guys? So today, I just got $1 million in jail right now. I only have $7,000 now because I could spent it on a military helicopter. As I'll try to show you in a bit. So to get a pistol here. For my alt account. It takes forever, like, just to get a key count. Like, look how long this is taking. My God, it took like at least 18 tries. Military helicopter. As he heard, it was really good, so I think it was like the first $1 million vehicle I got. A military heli over here. I said to get a car to get to that $1 million shop. But the only con about the military heli is that it's like big, you can shoot it down easier. Here it is. Because it's bad for everything. But look at that. I finally got it. It all this time. So it only took like 2 months. Like the main reason I didn't get like sooner was because like I also bought like a bunch of other things like a Lambo, Ferrari, Chiron, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna find like a garage that's big enough to like customize it. And maybe like the airport garage. And this thing's pretty fast. I mean, like it's mostly the fact that I can like glide over stuff. It makes it so good. Yeah, this is definitely big enough. So you got a radioactive color here. Now so we want to maybe rob the actually first let's get the jetpack actually. And we get over here. I also have to run the power plant to see how good it is. And I actually get this is a compact. Let's just execute them. Make another mine. Alright. See, and then we got our jetpack over here. I wonder why a jetpack's even on the canyon. Apparently it is. It has always been that way, so. And as any smoke comes from here, we already know that's like the power plant's open. So my game doesn't crash on me like for the 20th time. Only opens in 17 seconds, so we can definitely win it. we always do. There you go. I always type stuff wrong when I type so fast. We do the second puzzle. That was relatively quick, I guess. That's pretty proud of the achievement too. I mean, it takes quite a while, I'm not gonna lie. And apparently there's a way you can get $1 million an hour, like every single hour you can get $1 million. I don't even know how that's physically possible, I guess it is. And here we go, we're soaring through the land. Pretty fast, actually, I mean. Not gonna lie, bro. Cause I just glide over there, I don't have to take the dumb road or whatever. Look at all you poor people. This game is probably like somebody that's richer than me in this server. Oh yeah, I mean, the reason that they're more rich than me is because I like just bought this thing which really broke. But yeah. So, oh, power plant. Yeah, so let's test this thing with the power plant. Let's see. Okay, then we gotta do tomb. Like I can see the eyes are open, so that means. I try to get at least like $100,000 a day if I can. I'm actually getting a bit hungry. But oh yeah, that's right. I was gonna rob this thing for my contract. The new season. Yeah, I don't know if I'll actually upload one. Maybe I will. Maybe I can even rob the passenger train if it comes out. This is already. So let's just do this. Take some copper or gold, whatever this metal is. Just like. Feels good to be actually like along with the rich people because a lot of my friends actually are like multi-millionaires in this game and they have like military highways and whatnot. But now because I already always had to ride with them, like be their passenger. But now I can be the driver because I already own it. Or at least I only like own one of them. One of my friends that now has a monkey avatar, the cute monkey banana avatar. He has like a drone, which is also really good, but. I think the military heli might be better, but I'm not sure. I mean, a lot of people say it is, so I took their word for it. At least so far, I don't really regret it, so. Next I might try the drone, I'm not really sure, though. And I'll just drive by stuff for the sake of it, maybe. Maybe it's also fun to just switch things out every now and then with other $1 million vehicles. So my tapping is not so loud, I mean. Yeah, I might show my tapping a lot. Because like right now it sounds like really quiet, but now with you it might sound like a volcano erupting or something. Okay. Well, stop this recording. At least it needs at least upload it. Okay, yeah, close. But at least I'm almost done with my contract for a minute. So maybe 2. I saw the orange eyes, so it means it's open. Or maybe they already robbed it? I don't know. Okay. So it isn't closed. And nobody's even here, so I'm not the first one here. Yeah, just spam the chat. That's the come to tomb. I'm just spam this. No, you don't need to private chat to people. Just did that on accident. Alright, well, let's just say come to tomb. What's the time? Just annoy people until they actually just come over here. Alright, tomb, yes, sir. I mean, it's obviously open, so they should be here. Here's something. I mean, this usually works, right? It's like funny, actually. Are you like not gonna come? I'm like spamming the chat. They have to see this message. They're even looking at it. Yes. Come on, it's worth it, guys. Come on, it's a good robbery. Why do you not want to go to it? Of course, I'm a kid. Everybody that plays this is a kid, so. I usually think it's here earlier than this. Wonder how long I'll even be here. Yeah, never mind. Okay, they're not gonna come over here. This is like a minute straight, like even longer. Alright, maybe we'll warm up this thing up. There's already a guy here, so. Oh, now you want to go to Tomb. I see how it is. I'll just have to go there right after I drop this stupid thing. For me. See, so they robbed Tomb finally. I don't know why they did it after so long. We gotta test the power plant after this. It looks like it already gets here like pretty fast. Like, it takes like a matter of seconds just for us to get here. We're already a criminal. I barely took any time at all, actually. So I guess it is really good. Maybe there is a reason that cost $1 million. So now I gotta go to the Tomb finally, because now they want to rob it. And I don't know why. Gotta get my money back too, by robbing stuff and whatnot. Then we gotta rob power plant just to test it, to see how much cash we can get in. It'd be really cool if I could get 6,000. Okay, I thought I was gonna crash on it again. So we're already at $20,000 again. Alright, so now I just gotta go ahead and get her military heli again. Probably just looked at the interest, and that makes sense. Thing harms. Right now, where is my? He always does that. There you go. Like, you got a cop here. Got a criminal here. This guy has C4. Oh, it was probably for the cops. I think he's trying to build the yard. So you somehow successfully robbed the bank, even though coppers come in. And so would think, oh yeah, I could drive this thing if I want to, because I own it now. Just take this. Yeah, I think I could customize this maybe. That'll be too big. Done anything. Oh, that's where the garbage plane spawns. see what's here around here. Let's go to the museum, see what's here. Let's go to that kind of museum now. Oh, yes, power plant is finally up and running. I guess you use a military helicopter. Well, not me, because I'm too broke. Definitely, that couldn't be me. So, I'm already at 30,000 almost. Let's just get a power real quick. Let's see this how much money this thing can give us. Cause I heard it can be up to 6,000. Which is really good for the power plant. We just have to see. I'll probably have the video here so I can actually upload it. It won't take so long. Let's go over here. Didn't get me right in time. Cause this guy's probably gonna run it too. I have to do my police contract and level up faster. Okay, it's up time. With the pink one fired up. Oh my god. Yeah. Just how much you can actually achieve from this. I won't need to follow any roads or anything. Here. It can give some pretty good money. It did give I don't think 6,000, but it gave a lot for sure. So yeah, I already got $35,000 right after I got it. So, but you can get to 100,000 again. So you make some more progress more. So I might actually rob the tomb right before we go because it just happens to be open actually. Alright. gotta spam again. Yes, too, yes. That's what I gotta spam, like copy and paste a little bunch. So I got one guy here, there's no more. There's one more. Oh yes, is this guy coming? Yeah, you tried right. Let's go now. I have to take a break for this little bit. That's how long I've been playing. It was at least a matter of hours. Somebody already used here. Also, if you don't think I should have bought the military helicopter, would you have recommended it? I still think the military helicopter is really good, so. Oh. And it just barely touches you. Here. This is like an arrow frenzy over here. I see, got that past that. Alright, so that'll be it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And would you also buy the military helicopter if you have or would you get $1 million? Or would you rather buy, like, it wouldn't be that? So just tell me in the comment section. It should be like turned on. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.